Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on the NA server. Valorant usually assigns your server region automatically, based on where you are physically located. To play on the North American server, you'll typically need to create a new Riot Games account. Using a virtual private network, or VPN, can be a key tool to help mask your true geographical location, making it appear as though you are in North America. To create a new account specifically for the North American server, you should first ensure your internet connection appears to originate from that region. This might involve disconnecting from your current network or activating a VPN. Then, navigate to the official Riot Games website and begin the account registration process. It's crucial to verify that your IP address is correctly showing a North American location before finalizing your new account. A virtual private network is essential for accessing different regions. Select a reputable VPN service that offers numerous servers located across North America. Once you've chosen your provider, connect to a server in a specific North American country, such as the United States or Canada. Before you do anything else, always double-check that your IP address is correctly displaying a North American location to ensure proper region assignment. Before you dive into playing, there are a few important considerations. Playing on a server far from your physical location will likely result in higher ping, which can negatively impact your gameplay experience. Additionally, using a VPN can sometimes cause your overall internet speeds to be slower. Finally, be aware that Riot Games' terms of service may contain restrictions regarding frequent region hopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.